welcome to Law for Everyone. If you are looking for clear legal answers without the expensive hourly fees, you are in the right place. I'm here to cut through the jargon and give you the facts. Let's get started.
Can I clear a warrant without going to jail? This question is understandably a pressing concern for anyone with a warrant out for their arrest. Whether it's due to a missed court appearance or unpaid fines, the prospect of jail time is daunting. But the good news is that with the right approach, it's possible to address a warrant without ending up behind bars. First and foremost, one of the most effective ways to handle a warrant is by hiring a criminal defense attorney. An experienced attorney can provide invaluable guidance and may negotiate terms that allow you to clear the warrant without serving jail time. They understand the legal system intricately and can often find solutions that you might not be aware of. Addressing the warrant promptly is crucial. The sooner you take action, the better your chances of avoiding arrest and jail. Ignoring a warrant only increases the risk of being detained unexpectedly, whereas timely attention shows a willingness to resolve the issue. In some cases, especially with certain bench warrants, courts might be willing to lift the warrant if you fulfill specific conditions. This could include attending missing court dates or completing any pending requirements the court has set forth. Another common scenario involves paying fines or other court-ordered amounts. Often, settling these debts can result in the warrant being voided. Ensuring all financial obligations are met can be a straightforward way to clear your warrant. Lastly, voluntarily surrendering can sometimes work in your favor, particularly when done with legal guidance. Walking into the situation prepared, with a clear plan and legal support, can significantly reduce the likelihood of a prolonged jail stay, as it shows the court that you are taking responsibility seriously. By understanding and navigating these options, you can take control of the situation and potentially clear your warrant without enduring unnecessary jail time. It is also crucial to understand the specifics of bench warrants and their implications. Bench warrants generally arise from situations where an individual fails to appear in court as scheduled or violates a court order. When this occurs, the warrant mandates law enforcement to bring the person before the court. Clearing a bench warrant typically involves appearing before a judge. However, this doesn't always mean you will end up in jail. If the warrant resulted from an error, or if you can demonstrate compliance with the court's orders, a judge may quash or recall the warrant. This means the warrant is officially canceled, often without the need for any detention. Having an attorney can be a vital asset in these situations. A skilled legal professional can argue to quash the warrant, potentially preventing jail time. Especially if convincing evidence showcases that the non-compliance or failure to appear was unintentional or rectifiable. It's important to recognize that the decision rests with the court's discretion, and factors such as your criminal history or past interactions with the judicial system can heavily influence whether jail time is imposed or if you are released. Judges weigh these considerations carefully to determine the appropriate outcome in each case. Importantly, simply paying the fines associated with a warrant does not typically clear it without court involvement. Warrants are generally issued by judges to address failures to comply with specific legal obligations, and they often require a formal judicial process to resolve. While posting bond might clear some warrants temporarily, it usually comes with conditions that must be met. Consulting a lawyer is the most prudent course of action to navigate this complex process safely and effectively. Ignoring a warrant can lead to arrest and significantly greater legal penalties. In summary, while it may be possible to clear a warrant without going to jail, it involves more than paying fines. Engaging with the judicial system and seeking professional legal advice are key steps to properly address and resolve warrants. By understanding these key aspects, you can take informed and appropriate actions to manage and clear any legal warrants.
Thanks for watching. Now you are armed with the facts, not just the confusion. To make sure you never miss a legal update that could affect you or your family, hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next video.